Yeah, what's good, guys? So for the past time that I've been in the forex market, I've seen traders trying to grow small accounts from $10 to 100, from 100 to 1,000. But today I want to show you an effective way how you can grow your $100 account to any amount that you feel like. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss out on never post a video. Let's get started. So guys, for the past time that I've been in the markets, I've seen traders trying to grow really small accounts, and growing a small account, it can be so time consuming. But one of the ways you can grow your account, guys, because remember, for you to be able to make money for the forex market, you need to really have at least big amount of money so that you can be able to use your pips properly. Because most of you guys, I see you target around 200 pips in the market and then you use a 0.01 lot size. And with that, you're only taking $10 home. But imagine when you use a 20 lot size, or a 10 lot size, or a 1 lot size, and you target 100 pips, that is already $1,000 or $100 that you're taking home. So guys, one of the best ways that you can grow your account is having a big account. So I'm going to be taking you through some of the accounts you can purchase with $100, $200, so that you can have more equity or more money, so that you can play around with and be able to make really big figures. Because again, with one payout from a funded account, it can change your life. So today is a part 2 of the forex funder. So we're going to go straight to the accounts. So these are the accounts, guys, that we have. So we have the 1-step evaluation challenge and the 2-step evaluation challenge, as you can see. So we're going to look at the 1-step evaluation challenge, as you can see. So we're going to look at the $10,000 account. As you can see, this is the one. So you can see, traders, a $10,000 account costs only $155, and this is refundable money when you pass this challenge. You can see. So this challenge has unlimited trading period, and then it has 0 minimum trading days. So meaning if you pass your challenge there and then you receive the funded account, then minimum daily loss. The maximum daily loss is $400 and maximum loss is $800, as you can see. Then profit target is only $1,000. Then this is how much you're paying, as you can see. So when you pass this account, you're going through the minimum period is indefinite. Of course, you trade it until probably when you blow it or when you get out of the account. Then minimum trading days, we don't have any minimum trading days here. This is the daily loss and maximum loss. They still apply also on the real account, so you can see, traders. So with your $155, you can get this account very cheap. Make your money, guys. See, this is one of the ways that I've been able to make money from the forex market. I buy a funded account, make money, then I can fund my live account with probably any broker that I'm using. So let's look at the $25,000 account. Look at this. I've seen most of the traders, I know guys who have put this into the market and they've blown it up. So this is a $25,000 account. It only costs $270. You can see. So here again, trading period is unlimited. Minimum trading days 0. You can see. Maximum daily loss is $1,000. Then maximum loss is $2,000, as you can see. Then profit target is $2,500 US, as you can see, traders. Then this account costs only $270. You see. Then it's almost the same as the $10,000 account what you receive when you become forex funder trader, as you can see here. So then the $50,000 account, now as we go higher, the accounts become quite a bit expensive, but again, it's the same amount that I see most of you traders deposit in your accounts. So with the $50,000 account, you receive this account at only $490. I've seen traders depositing $1,000 and blowing it up. So this account, minimum trading period is unlimited, as you can see. Then minimum trading days 0. Minimum trading days are repeat. It means if you pass your account, you don't need to wait for 4 days like my forex funds, like FTMO, what they make you wait for 4 days so that you can blow up your money. No, when you pass your account, they give it there and then. Then maximum daily loss is $2,000, and then maximum loss is $4,000, as you can see. Profit target here is only $5,000, and this account costs only $490, as you can see. Very cheap account to buy, traders. You see, with these accounts, guys, you have really much money that you're playing around with, and with one payout it can change your life. Then the last account that I recommend is the 100k account. So this account costs $860. Trading period is unlimited, as you can see. Then minimum trading days is 0, and then maximum daily loss is 4,000, and daily the maximum loss is 8,000, as you can see. Then profit target here, you just need to make $10,000, that's all. And this account costs it costs only $860, as you can see, traders. These are the accounts that I recommend for anyone that they have $1,000 and below. And then for the two-step challenge, now this is another one that I recommend. So if this is worth a two-step challenge, so if you don't want to do one-step challenge, you can go in for this two-step challenge, which is quite a bit cheaper. So why you're taking on 2 steps. For the $10,000 account, it costs $95 only. You can see. Don't blow up your $95. Get an account. You see, traders. Trading period is unlimited. Minimum trading days is 0, as you can see. Maximum daily loss is $500. Maximum loss is $1,000 to $1,200, and profit target here is only $800, as you can see. Take on this account, make this $800. You get back this money when you pass also the verification step, as you can see. Then the $25,000 account costs $169, way cheaper than my Forex funds and FTMO accounts, you see. So traders, this is one of the ways that you can really scale up and be able to make money with these funded accounts, guys. And I'm going to be telling you more information about the Forex funder and the regulations and all that. So you can see here the maximum daily loss is $1,250. Minimum trading days is 0. You see, maximum loss is $3,000. It's way better than the one for my Forex funds. Profit target is $2,000, way better than the one for my Forex funds. See, so this is the verification part here. So here you have to make $1,225. This is how much you have to make your profit target. Then the maximum loss and maximum daily loss is the same as the one for the first step challenge. No, it's the one almost it's the same as the one for the first challenge, as you can see. Then when you become a funded trader, you see you have indefinite time. So you trade the account until you get tired. No maximum trading days. Maximum daily loss is $1,250, and maximum loss is $2,500. The maximum loss means overall loss, and you get back this money. It's refunded, and the profit split is 95% and 5% for the prop firm. And even on the one-step challenge, profit split is again 95% and 5%, and it can go as high as 100% depending on your trading performance for all these accounts. So when you come back to the step challenge, two-step challenge, that is the first account that I recommend. This is the second account that I recommend. Then the other account is the $50,000 account, which only costs $305. You see, traders, everything here applies to all these accounts. So I'm going to go through all this. This one costs only $305. Your profit target is only $4,000, as you can see. Then $2,500 for the verification stage, as you can see, and your money is refunded. This is the beauty of these accounts. Then the other account is the $100,000 account, which costs only $539. Profit target is $8,000. You see, traders, your money is refundable. See. Then here profit target is $5,000 for the verification step number 2. So the last account that I recommend is the 200k account, which costs $929. See traders, profit target is $16,000 and maximum loss is $24,000 and daily loss is $10,000. You see traders, this is refundable. You see traders, profit split is 95 and 5% for the firm. So guys, when you compare these accounts with these other guys, these are way better. These are way better, you can see. So when you go back to our homepage here, I need to always get something straight. So when you look down here, this is a regulated prop firm. They're using Think Markets. Think Markets is a registered broker, and you know, most of the times when prop firms are using their own brokers, it means they have the ability to manipulate the markets. So for you, your main thing, traders, it's to be able to just trade and be able to make your money and take the payouts. You shouldn't be worried about if prop firms aren't registered. Yes, they're using a regulated broker. Your thing is to go make that money and take out your payout. You see traders, and you can see your traders already $500,000 paid out to traders, 97.5% customer satisfaction, already 1.5 million plus trades opened every month and 2 days only to process your payout, guys, as you can see. So I'm going to be leaving a link down this video, guys. If you want to take on the account, take it on. And also I recommend that you make your own research before taking on any account, guys, because remember, trading in the financial markets can be very risky, so you need to make your own research. So guys, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.